Vitals holding steady at 45 BPM.
Pressure differential is stable. Proceed with docking.
In the pre-extraction bay, the King Cobras are secured in stabilization racks. Robotic arms
Cross-reference complete. All units match the genetic profile.
Confirmed. Ready for extraction.
The extraction begins in Process A. The spatial separation from the biological processing unit.
Vitals are stable. We are clear for Process A extraction.
Acknowledged. Initiating sequence.
In the Process B zone, the robotic vacuum meticulously collects shed King Cobra skin, preparing it for sterilization and secondary manufacturing.
Inside the state-of-the-art Cobra factory, the raw venom undergoes ultrafiltration. Process.
The Pharma-Max powder is carefully transferred into the milling machine, where it is broken down into a fine, consistent.
A high-speed camera system performs a meticulous surface inspection, ensuring the integrity of every finished product before final identification.
The robotic cart delivers the tracking data for the King Cobra raw material. Once process A is confirmed,
As the robotic sensors monitor the sample's degradation rate, the system confirms the robustness of the lyophilized. The conveyor system guides the skins through these sequential baths, ensuring maximum sterilization for high-value research.
The climate-controlled environment of the Process B area ensures the integrity of the shed skin inventory as we finalize the yield count.
Manifest confirms the shipment is secure and logged for transit.
Acknowledged. Seal the bay.
Manifest for Lot 47, King Cobra shedding.
Confirmed. Signed and accepted custody.
The shot emphasizes the scale of the logistics required to move specialized biological products globally.
Here is the shipment of Ophios Hannah skins, sealed and pressurized.
Thank you. We'll take it from here. Everything seems to be in order.
We're analyzing the tensile strength of the Ophiohanna segments.
The laser measurement tools are calibrated and ready for the sheets.
The alignment looks good. We are ready to scan the nanoscale structure.
Excellent. Let's focus on the lipid matrix.
If you compare the density measurements against the synthetic materials, the biological design is clearly superior.
Absolutely. We are testing the barrier function and absorption rate of the reptilian skin structure, simulating transdermal drug delivery pathways.
As you can see, the barrier properties of process B are significantly superior to the control.
The data is conclusive, Doctor.
Here is your package, fully traceable via the barcode.
Thank you. We appreciate the transparency and quality.
We begin today by examining the shed skin itself. This material from process B allows us to observe the consistency and size of the King Cobra.
The biological significance of this scale structure for comparative anatomy is clear. This high resolution confirms the integrity of
A true scientific achievement. The unique properties of the King Cobra's shed skin have confirmed a breakthrough in barrier technology.